Hey, you guys. Okay, so just a quick refresher for those of you who we may not have gotten finished today in class, or even if we did and you didn't quite finish everything yet. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have completed your source cards. All 5 source cards need to be completed today. Um, and whether you're watching this today on Thursday or tomorrow on Friday, I will not know. We do have all week next week because of testing. There is no writing assignment. So if you don't get to all of this work tomorrow, you do still have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday next week to catch up since there's no additional assignments due to testing. So for the note cards, they are posted in the slideshows from week 8. Those are in Google Classroom already. Google Classroom, week 8 slideshows, and they're posted both for Tuesday and Thursday. But I would open Thursday so that you can finish the rest of the assignment. When you are done, please let me know if you have any questions about those note cards or if you want me to double check them. Again, you're just doing the 5 for the sources. Okay, so the next thing is your thesis statement. If you did not already check off your thesis statement with me, please just send me a quick email. Say, Miss Bobo, is this thesis statement okay? And I will say yes or no. And if I say no, I will give you pointers on how to make it okay. The thesis statement is the most important sentence in your research paper. So you want to make sure that it's really, really good and just a really strong point so that you can do your best on the paper. Okay, so after you write your thesis statement and get it approved by me, you're going to get out a blank sheet of notebook paper. So when you get out your notebook paper, make sure it's nice. You are going to turn this in. You will need to keep it for the duration of the paper. So don't just rip it out of your binder and it has ripped holes and all that stuff. So at the top of that page, you will write the Great Hammerhead Shark right there on the top line and put your first and last name in the top hand corner. Okay. Then you are going to write thesis statement. So you'll write thesis statement. And then you'll put a little colon. And then you are going to write your thesis statement, not mine, not the one in the outline, your thesis statement. Make sure this is written in blue or black ink and that you skip lines when you are writing your thesis statement. Okay? Then you will come below that and you will write your outline for the paper. The outline for the paper is not a surprise. It is posted in that same PowerPoint. It is also in your The Time Has Come packet, and I gave you everything you needed. So you will write Roman numeral 1, which is a capital I, and you will write physical characteristics, and then you will write A. So you'll have a new column for A, and you will write each characteristic next to it, and then Roman numeral 2. I actually did a mistake on mine, if you can see that. So do as I say, not as I do. Because next to the 2, you will put the next subheading, which is other characteristics. And then you'll have AB below that. And then you'll put Roman numeral 3, and then you'll fill in the blank and then write your A, B, C, D points, so forth. Again, I have that typed in your packet. It is also handwritten in the slideshow. This is not the time to be creative. I'm giving you everything you need to do in the order you need to do it. So you will first write the rough draft. You do not have to skip lines on the outline. You do need to skip lines on the thesis statement. If you are like me and you run out of room at the bottom of the page, get another sheet of paper. Do not write on the back, okay? Just the front only of the notebook paper for the rough draft. And then once you have done that, you will type the outline. So you will type exactly what you have here. You'll have your heading, which is the Great Hammerhead Shark. You'll put the cornerstone heading on the typed copy. This is the title of the assignment, the Great Hammerhead Shark Outline, okay, is the topic or the assignment name. And then you are going to write thesis statement, colon, and then you are going to type your thesis statement. And then you are going to type the outline and make sure that your letters are bumped out away from the Roman numerals to set those aside. Again, it's exactly like it's posted in your packet. The only difference is that in the packet, I did not use 12 Times New Roman. It is not double spaced, but the information is correct. make sure that your formatting does follow the research paper guidelines. If you have any questions about any of this, please let me know. I just don't want anybody to get behind. And I'm happy to go over it with you. I know it's a lot, especially my first class. We did not get through most of that. So if you have any questions, please reach out. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you.